Airbus's new passenger jet, the A350, will not use the same kind of lithium-ion batteries as the troubled Dreamliner. Both Boeing and Airbus had chosen high-tech lithium-ion batteries for their newest aircraft, made with a lightweight carbon composite material because the batteries are lighter and safer. But now Airbus has decided to switch to the heavier, traditional nickel-cadmium batteries used in most airliners. That says the company will avoid delays in getting the A350 into service next year. The fate of Boeing's Dreamliner battery system rests partly on the outcome of a federal probe into the cause of 2 serious battery-related incidents within 2 weeks, including a fire. Boeing has been forced to halt deliveries of its 787, delays Airbus is moving to avoid. Even after any fix, former National Transportation Safety Board member John Golia says getting the Dreamliner back in the air will take time.
And the FAA is not going to be jumping up and down with joy to rush through any certification tests, given the history that we're faced with this airplane.
Boeing says it remains confident in lithium-ion battery technology and has hundreds of experts working around the clock to find the source of the 787's problems. Cheryl Atkinson, CBS News, Washington.